mistakes most often done on LinkedIn, and these are the mistakes often done by students. Forget students, even people who are on LinkedIn for last 3 to 4 years have been doing most of these mistakes. I'll audit some of the profiles and show you. Now, this profile that you see over here, so you have a photo and you can hardly make out this face. That's the face, the DP needs to be proper. Over here, if you write student, nobody wants to hire a student for a job. Nobody wants to hire. So, what is simple in this particular avenue is forget writing student. You need to write who you are, what you are. Then, everywhere, if you see over here comments, there are no posts. There's no post. There are comments. You have Viksit Bharat, I'm thrilled to. So, again, over here commented. So, it's like congrats. That's it. And then I'm interested in research training. Nobody wants to hire a trainee. Nobody. If you are going to write, I am going over here. They have mentioned send your profiles over here. So what is the point in writing? I'm interested. I'm interested. There's no point. Then you have say goodbye to it is no scores again commented over here. A resume is a document form in document format. Please. So there's no logic to what this person is doing, and still the person is searching for job. Then you come over here, Simtech Solutions, internship deputy general manager, nothing. Now this particular technology, this guy has written, it needs to be elaborate. College is not tagged. So there is this particular icons is where the LinkedIn is not able to identify this college. So he needs to find his college and tag to the right skills, even photography leadership, and applying for job as an intern for HR. And obvious skills of event photography and leadership, non-relatable skills. Again, there's no correct Goa HR circle jobs in Goa. So at the first instance, if I see this profile, I won't even qualify this person to even meet. Forget. So how are you going to get a job? It will some more profiles. But looking at the profile itself, you can make out Chirag Arya, AP Guru Rise of the rest. Let's see what it is. So to some extent, his profile is good. Now again, I don't see about us. His co-founder. Then I think, but even at co-founder level, there's no experience that is clear. Even this DP profile photo, I can hardly make out his face over here. A face needs to be specific. And you need to see this is a good profile. At the first DP, you can make her face out. This is not relatable. Again, the tagging is not proper. I recently got 3 word internship. To some extent, this is better than rest two profiles, but it's a full length photo. You need to have just a crop version. You cannot have a full length photo. These are common mistakes, most common. This particular banner is not still used. Student success manager, what is that you do? I don't know. Nobody knows. So unless you define what do you do as student success manager, nobody knows. Great learning senior program. These are most common mistakes. You just search one thing and you'll find multiple places this particular mistake. DP looks better. Again, this banner is not been used. She could have done this much better, but still I give marks because the about section is filled. Human resource recruit again, she has filled this. It's good to have this. Tagging is not correct. Tagging needs to be done again. Now this looks like straight a photo out of Insta. This does not look professional. So these empty profiles don't get you anything. If you're looking for a job, what is the point in creating a LinkedIn profile if you're not going to have a prop? Nia Singh, just let's look at again. And it's a full length photo. There's no point in having a full length photo. Then we school, this is good to have a banner doing PGDM, pursuing PGDM. Then again, she is writing articles, posts, okay, 4 months old posts. So these are the most common mistakes. Photo for your DP is the worst. Again, see your work. I told you now, even senior human resource professionals who are using LinkedIn will have a full. There's no point in having a full length program. This experience human demonstrated, but what you are doing, yani, there's nothing. Even HR professionals are not having a good half baked profiles. Even over here, Bachelor of Science, but this is not connected. Dempo Charities Trust Dempa. It needs to come out more. You cannot have half baked. So these are most common mistakes. So if I list down the common mistakes, one is DP photos, which is not proper. A lot of people don't have good banner. Even this is your tagline. This is not your designation. Your profile, your about needs to talk about who you are, what you bring to the table, what are your interests, and how you can help. It's all about, are you having the right profile? See, this is a good profile. Still, it can be better, but still we can make out. There are posts, then this needs to be filled. So the lot of people are not professionally managing their LinkedIn profile, which is where they're missing out on a lion's share of the traffic that they can get. Otherwise, so as you see, I showed you, I started commenting and the Vikas didn't like your comment. After some time, Vikas will visit back. So this is what happens. You will keep on getting traffic if you create the right profile. If you do not create the right profile, if you do not fill the profile, you will not. What we have seen is your banner, your TP photo, your tagline, your about section, post. Weekly 2 posts you should do. Fill your details for each and every designation. And in education, certifications, volunteering, skills. The skills needs to be updated. A lot of people do not update skills. You need to update those skills for which you're looking for job. There's no point in updating a particular skill, but you're not looking for job in. And then coming down to the groups, because lot of times recommendations is useful, but it's difficult at the initial phase. But the groups that you join, because from there you build, and a lot of people visiting you. People also see, so over here it's easy if you're part of a network to send connection requests and tend to engage with them if you're part of that connection. Well, if you're not part of the group, it's difficult to try to pull people or connect with people, because if you start out, you need to have at least 500 to 1,000 followers. Your target once you start out on LinkedIn should be, how do you reach to 1,000 connections, which are relevant connections, recruiters, these are the people because of which your network will start growing and you'll get good amount of recommendations over. So we've been today's session was more of, are you using LinkedIn the whole? And I've given you all the tips. I'll list down all the things that you need to complete in your LinkedIn profile to ensure your LinkedIn profile gets noticed and it has all the SEO components. Because whenever you type something on Google search, I'll just show you. So when I type Moses Gomes, these are the, so this person is Moses Gomes. I am Moses Gomes. This is my photo. This is again, and then this is a singer, Latino singer Moses. But over here you'll get Moses Gomes, account specialist, and Moses Gomes. These are my videos that you will see over here. This is my Medium profile, Pinterest, Facebook. Then if I write Moses Gomes Pharma, my LinkedIn post will start throwing. I was in Dockmode, so that's where it is. Then this post is what you'll keep on seeing over here, Insta. So Insta also has good amount of SEO. That's why you see Insta, Game of Pharma. Over here, one of my podcasts you'll see over. So this is a award that I received, and this award card, you will see the details over here. You understand the importance of having a good profile on LinkedIn. If you don't have a good profile, you will miss out on lion's share, and you will miss out on. These are the most common mistakes a lot of job seekers.